Changing your spark plugs on the 2.0, so this is in a Tucson right here. I'm going to lift this cover out of the way. That cover just clips onto these. This part, this point. This point. Just pull it up, no tools. Make sure it's warm enough. You do it when it's super cold, it's going to probably crack. So you got a 10 millimeter to take all these out. The only real difference, or difficult part here, it's not difficult, is this fuel line. It's in the way from getting this one out. Lift this out of there. We got to take this fuel line off. Get this cover here off. See down there. So this little plastic ring, as I'm pushing this way, a screwdriver here to push this ring this way. As I'm pushing this, I kind of pinch it together and then pull it back. And when I do that, it's going to spray some gas out. So before I do that, I'm going to clean all this out. I'm going to spray some air in there and make sure there's no crap in there. And then I'll get to that. That's the best place I can get for it. So pushing this in, the screwdriver behind that little plastic piece. Now I'm going out. And now I'm going out. You can see there's going to be gas dripping. Put my towel over. It's not going to continue the whole time. And now that I got this off and out of the way, I'm able to get all these bolts out. I'm going to usually leave this here the whole time. It's going to kind of continually drip. May even spray occasionally. Out of the way. Pop right out. So, without taking this off, this one, gets in the way. You can't lift it up and out. So, not hard to do. And now we're at the plugs. So then you're just going to take your socket for the plugs, which is 5/8. We're going to take the plugs out. So I got them all loose. Normally these spark plug ones with the rubber, they stick to that. You can pull them out real easy. But otherwise I got my little magnet. There's the spark plug. Spark plug, spark plug, and spark plug. Now we got them all out, and now you put the new ones in. Take your new spark plugs. These are still the old ones because spark plug change is not what I was doing on this vehicle. I was doing some other inspection. Spark plugs back in. And then I'm going to tighten them all down by hand to make sure I don't cross thread. Going into feel it tighten up. There, I can't turn it by hand anymore. Going to the next one, do all of them like that. You don't need the extension this long. This is just what I have. I got them all tight by hand, so now I'm going to snug them up. All good there. Drop these back in. Started before I put any power tools on it. So now we put this gas line back on, really easy. Put it on the thing and push. Now it's on. Put it back into a groove there. And flip that down to lock it in place. And you got your plugs changed.